Hi, folks. We had a great day. We hope that tomorrow is an even better one. Here you have the team that was behind this. Most of us are in Portugal. Miguel is in Finland, and we also have Calvin from USA and the Loud Swarm. And maybe Calvin can give us a bit of the numbers of how many attendees we had today live.
Sure. The Loud Swarm platform has over 812 attendees currently registered in the platform for the event. And we had over 320 simultaneous viewers on many of the sessions going on today. So it's a lot of excitement and a lot of activity going on.
Yes, that's wonderful. We also had a similar number in Slack, almost 850 participants. So let's hope that everybody has enjoyed this day, and let's make a better one tomorrow. See you.